quite easy, but actually building a brand is going to be what helps you generate more business and differentiate you from everyone else.
And we're going to try and fight back against that muppetry marketing. We're going to try and fight back against that enraging marketing and talk about engaging marketing.
I'm getting leads off my videos. I'm only 3-4 months in. I'm getting leads, a good steady flow of leads a week without spending anything.
They are brilliantly designed for one section of the population, completely leaving cold the other section of the population.
When you click on See More, LinkedIn counts that as an interaction and therefore shows your post out to more of your network.